In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a 1,500-word blog post with ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly how to plan, draft, expand, and polish a post that's clear, useful, and ready to publish. We'll start by planning your blog structure. Pick a focused topic and a specific audience so you know exactly who you're writing for and what they need. Then map a simple outline with an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. Break the body into clear sections with descriptive headings so readers can scan easily. List the important keywords you want to target and note the key discussion points that must appear under each heading. If you're short on time, ask ChatGPT to generate a detailed outline quickly. You can say something like, propose an outline with 6 to 8 achieved reflections, each with 2 to 3 talking points, for a 1,500-word post on your topic. Review the draft, adjust the flow, and lock the structure before you write. Next, use detailed writing prompts to draft section by section. Give ChatGPT precise instructions about tone, style, and word count. For example, write 180 words for the introduction in a friendly, authoritative tone, or explain this section with 2 examples and 1 statistic. You can also use a broad prompt like, write a professional 1,500-word blog post about digital marketing trends. Then refine each section afterward. The more context you provide, audience level, desired voice, and must include points, the better the first draft will be. Then, expand and improve the content. If a paragraph feels thin, ask ChatGPT to elaborate with definitions, comparisons, or step-by-step explanations. Add FAQs that address common objections or practical questions, along with real-world examples and quick tips that readers can use immediately. Request an engaging introduction that hooks attention and a conclusion that ties key insights together. For readability, have ChatGPT suggest subheadings and spots where bullet points would help your readers skim complex lists or processes. Finally, edit and optimize the post. Proofread for grammar, clarity, and flow, and ask ChatGPT to rewrite repetitive sentences or tighten long ones. Optimize your keywords for SEO, placing primary terms in the title, introduction, headings, and naturally throughout the text. Keep the language human and varied. Close by generating several compelling title options and a concise, keyword-rich meta description for publishing. With a solid plan, targeted prompts, thoughtful expansions, and careful edits, you'll consistently produce polished 1,500-word blog posts with ChatGPT.